So gas barbecues, they can be a reasonable investment if you've got a nice one, but of course they are kept outside, and if you live somewhere like England, like we do, it does rain from time to time, and over time they do start to wear and tear, and the inevitable problem you get is rust. In particular, the burners can start going rusty. Is this a problem? Well, actually yes, because it means it doesn't work as well. It uses more gas, so it's really good to keep it in good shape if you can. You don't want to have to replace your barbecue either once it gets rusty. There are other things you can do, and the easy, cheap, quick solution is just to replace the gas burners. You can get universal parts for this that can work in any gas barbecue, and it's a quick job to do. I'm going to show you how. So when your barbecue is cool, very important, you need to get access to your burners. So remove your grill plates and the heat deflectors. Put these to one side. You can give them a scrub down later, but essentially they are still intact and operational, so it's not necessary to replace these. Now we can see our gas burners, and you can see that they're rusty. Holes are starting to appear, which is going to affect how our barbecue cooks. So we won't get an even heat, and it's also wasting gas. Now, before we start trying to replace this, we need to make sure that the gas is disconnected. So now the gas is off, we can safely remove the burners. They're just attached with these split pins at the end here, so we're just going to loosen those. You might also find that you need to detach the igniter. Our middle burner was attached to the igniter here, but there's a little screw, so I'm just going to remove that. So it's a good chance while you've got everything out just to give your barbecue a bit of a clean as well, but be careful. There's been a lot in the media about these wire brushes and using them on your actual grill part of your barbecue. They can get into your food and into your body. There's been some mysterious cases where people have suffered from that, but it's fine to use on the base of your barbecue here. So now we've got this out, we can see how broken it actually is, and here is the replacement that we're going to use, and it's a universal part that's basically adjustable, so you can fit it to whatever size your barbecue is. Let's go. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You just slot it back into location, and once you've wiggled it on, you need to tighten the screws to ensure the burners are stable, and then replace the pins that you took out earlier to make sure the burners are securely attached. Now we've reconnected our gas, and you can see that nice even flame along the burners. So we've got our new burners in. We know now we're going to get that nice even distribution of gas when we're cooking. We're going to give these a little scrub down and pop them back in, and we will be as good as new. So that's it for today, just a quick one. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, please give it a like, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and come back very soon. And if you've got any of your own tips to share, then please feel free to pop them in the comments down below. Bye.